How to hear yourself in Streamlabs OBS. Hearing yourself in Streamlabs OBS ensures that your microphone is functioning properly and that your audio levels are adjusted appropriately for a smooth and engaging streaming experience. Now here's how we are going to do it. We're just going to go here in our mixer section and we're going to look for our mic. So this is the one that I have, and I'm just going to click this one here. I'm going to click the properties. Alright, and here in the properties, you should see here audio monitoring. I'm going to tap and open this one. If you're going to click monitor off, that means you cannot hear yourself. However, the audience will be able to hear you. If you're going to choose monitor only, that is exactly the opposite. So you will be hearing yourself. The audience, however, will not be hearing you. And if you're going to click monitor and output, that means you and the audience will be hearing yourself. So in order for you to hear yourself as well, what you're going to do is just click this one here. Alright, so as you can see here in the desktop audio, you can see that it is moving along with our microphone down here below. And yeah, basically that is how you're going to do it. You can also click test audio in order for you to hear yourself and the mic in your recording. And yeah, that's basically how you're going to hear yourself in Streamlabs OBS. And by the way, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save the $10 of discount right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.